Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to be invisible on Viber. Whether you want a little piece or simply don't want others to see when you're online on Viber, then here is how you can easily become offline or stay invisible. First of all, open up the Viber application on your phone. Now tap the More button at the bottom right, and within the More menu, tap on Settings. Now click on Privacy. Inside Privacy, go ahead and toggle off the button right next to Share Online Status. After you turn off this button, you will then be able to turn your online status off in Viber. After you turn it off, others won't know when you're online, but you won't be able to see their status either. This will now hide the blue double ticks. No one will know if you've read their message or not. That is how you can easily be invisible on Viber. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.